Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. So as you can see, this beautiful mimosa, if you've seen my real-time video of planting these, this is what they look like in flower basically. Absolutely stunning. But unfortunately, this one here lost the battle against Storm Eunice and had a rather large chunk of it ripped off. So we're here to sort of tidy that up, try and cut it so we can preserve it, and hopefully it'll be all right. So as you can see guys, this part here, this nice big chunk has been ripped off, which is a real big shame really, because it's just so beautiful. Storm Eunice really came down on us hard, but I mean this tree's tiny compared to some of the trees that fell around my way anyway. But yeah, we're just gonna basically make a cut here, and as you can see, you know, it does sprout, so we're hoping that it won't make too much of an obvious dent that's missing. You got that bit up there that's come off as well. I mean, as someone did mention in one of the comments, I can't remember who did, they are very fragile plants, and letting them get this big is, if you get storms and stuff like that, they will tear and rip away. So that's just one thing to let you guys know. But when I planted this 4 years ago, it was growing up against this. It was just basically up here. It was probably coming up about here, and then it's, in 4 years, it's grown that much. Okay guys, let's get to it. Nice big chunk there. Yeah. Just like right.
So tangled up.
It is.
So tangled up, mate.
It's all tangled up.
Watch the camera. Watch your face.
Right. It's very heavy, but that's why, because it's like a sail.
Yeah.
Especially when the flowers come on it.
Jeez.
Right. So we're going to take a cut about.
Oh, man.
Take a nice cut. Always do a nice little cut at an angle as well. I've cut the wrong bit.
Oh,
can you imagine?
I was like, what?
I've cut a healthy bit.
Really...
Right, coming over your way. Yep. Right, so let's have a look at that. I mean, from this angle, it's not too bad. Obviously, there's a massive chunk missing. Used to just come up here. But, God, look at that, guys.
Right down the middle.
Right down the middle. Should put it in a museum. From the outside, it's not too bad. Obviously, it was a lot more thicker and this would have filled out. But it'll be okay. Once it's finished flowering, we're going to give it a prune and try and reduce it down again. I cut it back last year quite well, relatively hard. It was quite high, and yeah, unfortunately, boo to Storm Eunice. Right, we'll chop that up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tie and I've got a ratchet strap which I'm going to pull in, because the owner tied it back with some blue string, but it's starting to rip into it. So what we want to do is put something with a larger surface area that doesn't cut into the actual bark of the tree.
As you can see, it's cutting into the wood right there. Oh my god, it actually looks really clean. Oh? It looks really clean, your lens now. Yeah. Like, the focus looks fresh. What's that, mate?
Hello. Gonna use this ratchet strap, and this has kind of been pulled back enough now.
And we're not using this one because it's snapped off here. Look at that. Straight down the middle. Crazy. Crazy, crazy.
We use this ratchet strap, guys, because it's got a much larger surface area, so it's less likely to grow around it anyway. But we have to keep an eye on them, because there is that chance it will, if it gets bigger, it will grow around it. But we don't want to tie it around it really. We just want it sort of, because this is sort of tied really tight. Try and come up with a way where it's just pulling it back. Right. So, ratchet straps. Yeah. Right, so this is now loose. So I'll just if you can get it, I doubt you'll get that. I'll just cut it off. I cut the wrong one. Yeah.
How bad it was.
Look at that. Oh my god.
That's how you get pregnant, doesn't it?
So,
zoom in, man.
yeah, come on in. Come on in, guys. Come on in, closer. So if you are going to tie your trees back, obviously, to try and straighten them up at all, make sure you just move this around each year. Just get another one to help pull it back and then move it about, because otherwise if you leave it there, you can see the damage it does to the tree. And it doesn't help it. Really, you should have rubber ties and stuff, but we don't have them right now, so this will do. And it will just stand nice and straight for a while. Lovely job there.
Documentary.
Mockumentary? Documentary. Oh, right. No, we're not mocking anyone. Right, let's tidy up some of this stuff. Let's keep that big branch there for her. So the broken branch, I've just, as you can see, I've just shoved it in there. Why not enjoy the flower? And then once it's done, we'll just take it away and chop it up.
It is what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, not worry, it'll go away in a minute, probably.
So we just cut some off and put them in the borders. because, you know, they might last 3 or 4 days. I hate wasting things as well. You know, if she can get some joy out of them, you know, they'll only end up in the rubbish bag and go down the dump, so we might as well make use of it. Right. Hey guys, that's us done today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, Mimosa nil, Storm Eunice 1, but is what it is really. No, Mother Nature wins again. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel and you like all types of gardening content, we put out 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you are into it, consider subscribing, that'd be awesome. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks very much.